Have you ever stepped into a room and felt like you've been transported back in time, enveloped by an aura of elegance and gracefulness? It's as if every piece of furniture, every color, every texture whisper tales of yesteryears, creating an atmosphere of peaceful nostalgia. Welcome to the world of vintage interior design. Today we're diving deep into the elements that make up this enchanting style. From wide plank wood flooring to delicate floral patterns, each element plays a crucial role in crafting the perfect vintage-inspired space. Let's begin our journey with one of the foundational elements of vintage design: wide plank wood flooring. Imagine stepping onto floors adorned with wide plank wood, each board telling its own story through knots and imperfections. These floors are more than just a surface. They're a canvas for rustic charm and timeless character. At Target, we've curated vintage-style flooring options that seamlessly blend the allure of old wooden floors with modern functionality. Whether you prefer the authenticity of rustic oak or the durability of vinyl, we've got you covered. Now let's paint our vintage canvas with a soft pastel color palette. Picture a room bathed in soft hues of white, cream, and beige, accented by gentle grays and delicate pastels like duck egg blue and pale pink. These colors evoke a sense of nostalgia, reminiscent of bygone eras filled with grace and sophistication. By embracing a pastel palette, you can infuse your space with a timeless charm that never goes out of style. Next, let's talk about the soul of vintage design: distressed furniture. There's something magical about furniture that bears the marks of time, whether it's naturally weathered or artificially distressed. From wardrobes with carved handles to sofas with rounded legs, each piece exudes a sense of history and authenticity. And let's not forget about display cabinets, perfect for showcasing vintage treasures like glassware and silverware. Now let's add the finishing touches to our vintage masterpiece: floral patterns. No vintage-inspired space is complete without the whimsical charm of floral patterns. Whether it's upholstery, cushions, or fabrics with faded designs, florals bring a sense of romance and nostalgia to any room. Mix and match different patterns to create a tapestry of botanical beauty. Chandelier. For a touch of glamour and femininity, consider adding a decadent glass chandelier to your vintage haven. Let its sparkling crystals cast a warm glow, illuminating your space with elegance and sophistication. Textiles. Finally, let's indulge in the luxurious textures of vintage textiles. From graceful curtains to delicate lace napkins, every piece adds a layer of comfort and charm. Embrace vintage fabrics, decorative pillows, and soft area rugs to create a cocoon of nostalgia. As we wrap up our exploration of vintage interior design, remember that each element plays a vital role in crafting a space that feels like a timeless treasure trove of memories. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy decorating!